Isn't it time for you to get your share of the stock market? The stock market is ripe with opportunity, but only if you know how to harness its power. Concerned about losing money in the market? Yes, that's always a possibility, but at the Academy of Trading and Investing, we educate you on how to make money in an up or down market. That's right, no matter the market direction, you can make money so long as the market moves. And no matter your skill level, you can make the market work for you. At the Academy of Trading and Investing, we will look over your shoulder as you place trades in a no-risk, practice account until you are confident and ready to trade real money. The timing couldn't be better, so don't wait. Take action today by clicking on the link below and enrolling in our flagship coaching program that will empower you to take control of your money.